in that case you are supercapacitor electrodes, to store energy. Okay, the material, in this case the carbon material, is used to store energy. We are using now biomaterials there, and they are used to stick the active material of the electrode to the current collector. The idea is we have to produce or work with an ink, a slurry, and this ink is coated over a film, that is metallic film. That's usually is copper or is aluminum, and over this film you coat the ink. You usually work at lab scale at the beginning. We are using ink slurries of 50 milliliters, and nowadays we are working with 5 kilos of slurry of ink that you are apply it over a electrode that you can get 200 meters of electrodes coated by both sides. The things that we are doing is to store energy.